Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the TikTok trend using CapCut's 2024 recap. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to create your own visually stunning journey through the year using this awesome video editing app. Whether you're new to video editing or a pro, you'll love how easy this is. Let's jump right into it. First things first, make sure you have the CapCut application installed on your phone. If you haven't already, head to the App Store or Google Play Store to download it. It's completely free. Also, double-check that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Once everything is set, open TikTok and search for 2024 Recap Template. You'll see a bunch of videos that use this trend, and they've all applied a specific template. Click on any video that has the 2024 Recap effect, and then tap on the button that says CapCut. Try this template. This will automatically open up the CapCut app with the template preloaded. Give it a second or two, and once CapCut opens, tap on the Use Template option. Now, you'll be taken to your photo gallery. This is where the magic happens. Start selecting your favorite moments from 2024 to create your recap video. The first photo will be the cover, so choose that one wisely since it will appear for a couple of seconds. Once you're happy with your selection and edits, it's time to export. Tap the Export button and your 2024 recap video is ready to go. Now you can share it with the world on TikTok and join the latest trend. Don't forget to use popular and relevant hashtags to increase visibility. And if you'd like, you can also repurpose your video for Instagram Reels, so you're not limited to just TikTok. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content, and drop a comment with your creations. I'd love to check them out. Thanks for watching, and until next time.